So me and Bonnie are out again at another abandoned place. Now this is another abandoned mansion. I did one a couple of weeks ago. Now unfortunately guys, I can't give you a location. You're going to understand why in a minute in the video, but I can't give you a location. What I can tell you about it is a little bit of history. It's built in 1926 for a very rich family in the area. They built it as a summer house. Very nice in that, eh? Big building. There's a big plot of land there. Apparently it had artificial lakes, palms and, you know, fountains. Really luxurious. And then along come the Civil War. Now the Civil War, Franco's lot didn't like the rich people, so they had to be cleared out, and I don't know what happened to them. They were cleared out. Now after the war, I think they found a cousin that actually was part of the family or something. She took it over. It was sort of turned into sort of a semi-farmstead, a bit elaborate, I thought. And then she sold it off to a Swedish guy, yeah, a Swedish guy, who did say at the time that he was going to fully restore the building, build some luxury houses around it, and a golf course. Now we've heard that one before, because if you look, check out my videos on abandoned golf courses, there's a lot of them in the area. But yeah, anyway. So we're going to have a look at it, because it looks amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the vid. Amazing place. Now you can understand, guys, I can't give you the location, because as you can see it's chained up. Now I managed to find a way of getting in. Just a quick sec. For those people that are after the t-shirt, especially the Expat and Mazaron subscribers t-shirt, I'll bring on my model now.
Good evening.
This will be the t-shirt that you can get, guys. Now if you want a t-shirt, if you look below the video in the description, there'll be a link there. I'm off again. See ya. I couldn't get into any of the buildings because it's all bricked up, and I can understand why, because I believe 10 years ago it got robbed, and from what I could see from the outside looking in, it looked amazing. I'll explain that in a minute, but anyway, they robbed all the stuff out of it, all the you know, the banisters and the no doubt the paintings and whatever else. But what I could see from around the back, when I could look in, I couldn't take a very good photograph of it, but it looked like the place, the big palace down at Granada. You could see all the walls painted. There was gold leaf there. It must have been really special inside there. But yeah, what a lovely place. Anyway, as I always say, guys, got to keep watching. I'm just going to miss something. I've got a few more to come yet. So yeah, keep watching. Me and Bonnie are going home now.